We called today. We are called today. So we have come to express our stand. So why is it that we are not being open? My baby.
सर एक मिनट रहा सर
violated the business rules for dealing with MLAs and elected representatives. These gates were closed. Now, nowhere in the country there are clear-cut guidelines by the government how to deal with the elected representatives. There is a set of rules to deal with MPs, MLAs, everybody. In fact, I am shocked. I'm now 27 years I have completed as MLA. I have dealt with lots of agitation. I have faced myself as the Chief Minister when I was in agitation. But we never stopped anybody from entering the chamber of the Deputy Collector. When we told them that you tell the Deputy Collector that we will sit in the chamber, he can come and meet us after the court. There is no problem. But we were told to wait for 15 minutes. I have told him that we'll take it up very seriously. Because this is not the way this officer doesn't appear to be even knowing the basic rules, how to deal with MLAs, how to deal with elected, how he will deal with the common man. Person who doesn't know to behave with MLAs, to give respect to the elected representatives, how he will deal with the common man? This is the question mark.
Illegal, because nobody had ever raised this issue. This was raised today itself. So हे ताणें असर्टेन करपा जाय तें करचे पयलीं तो जे भशेन पुलीस ताणें घाल्या आनी निवडून आयिल्ल्या लोकांक जर ते भशेन अशें ट्रीट करता ताणें अडानीची सुपारी घेतल्या म्हणून कळटा हे सरकारान सुपारी घेतल्या एक इल्लिगल प्रोजेक्ट गोंयकारांच्या माथ्यार मारपाक आनी हे जे वागतात प्रमोद सावंत उलयता की 60 वर्सां मुक्तीची तो सेलिब्रेट करता कसली मुक्ती हो सारको रिटर्न टू सालाजार मरे सारकें हे जे भशेन ते वागतात ते अशें दिसता की पुर्तुगेज आनी तांचे भितर कांय फरक ना आज निवडून आयिल्ल्या लोकांक जर अशें ट्रिटमेंट आहा आनी करतात एज इफ थंय न्युक्लियर बॉम्ब आशिल्ले भशेन कितें भितर वॉट इज द बिहेवियर इट लुक्स लायक दीस ऑफिसर हेज बीन स्पेसिफिकली ब्रॉट टू कंप्लीट द बाय हूक और बाय क्रूक एंड दीस इज बींग डन सिनियर सिटीजनांक हांगा हाडिल्ले आहा SOP आहा आयचे दिसाक फॉर कोवीड देर इज एन SOP फॉर सिनियर सिटीजन ते सगळे गेले तांकां जाय तेन्ना तांकां भितर उडोवपाक ते सेक्शन 144 लायतात प्रोहिबिटरी ऑर्डर्स अंडर पॅन्डेमीक एक्ट जाय तेन्ना लागता नाजाल्यार सिनियर सिटीजनांक हाडून हियरींग घेवं येता सो सरकार धांवता कित्याक वॉट इज द नीड फॉर वॉट इज द अर्जन्सी बाय नो एक्झामिनींग ऑफ द लिगॅलिटीज दीज आर लीगल इश्यूज दॅट वी हॅव रेज्ड दे हॅव नॉट गॉट दॅट लीगल इश्यूज सेटल्ड they have not even got advice. So what is the haste that we don't understand? So they काल पळय ते नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियमाचे अडानी एंड म्हणून एक आहा तशें दीस एंड लुक्स लायक अडानी एंड वेरी क्लियर दॅट वास्को इज बिकम अडानी एंड
क्वेश्चन पड जाला तें पयलीं जालां तें क्वेश्चन इज नॉट ऑन दीस रेल्वेज एक्ट दांत आहाय तूं खावपाक सोमतोच तुका आनी जमनीकूय खावपाचो तो ते मेन जें पड पयलें एक्विशन केलां तेका पावर ना आतां तें करपा जाय आनी हें करपा सेपरेट एकल्या सेपरेट आनी दुसऱ्या सेपरेट एक प्रोजेक्ट जावपाक शकना कायदो आहा एक्विशन सेम जावपा जाय आतां हे लँडान ऑपोजिशन आहा म्हूण तो कायदो लायला आतां ते कायदे आमी ऑब्जेक्ट करताय आमी एक्विशन म्हणटा तें सारकें युनिफॉर्म जावपा जाय तुका एक कायदो म्हाका एक कायदो आनी लोकांक एक कायदो जावपा जायना सो एक कायदो जावपा जायो हे कायदो आमी चॅलेंज केला
I came here today to reiterate my objections to the acquisition of my land. Because if I say yes to this acquisition, it means that I am saying yes to destruction. Destruction of people's lives, destruction of people's houses, destruction of Goa's heritage. And this we cannot allow. Because this goes, see, Goa is a very, very small state. Okay? And it has just 2 districts, South Shall we destroy South Goa so that the second track can be laid? For what benefit? And for whose benefit? That is what we have to be told. Okay? No, there is no benefit. There is only destruction, and we will fight against doubling of South Western Railway track to the villages of South Goa.
मैडम